Hello guys, we have here problem on radicals. We have here 5 problems. Square root of 64, square root of 121, square root of 100, square root of 75, and square root of 192. So square root of 64, that is equals to 8. For you to check this, you multiply 8 to itself. 8 times 8, the product must be 64. So therefore, the square root of 64 is 8. So square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 100 is 10. In number 4, that is equivalent to square root of, since that is not a perfect square, that is you get 2 factors wherein one of the factor is a perfect square. Right? 3. 25 times 3. 25 times 3 is equals to the square root of 25 is 5, then square root of 3. Right? Then 192, that is 192. 192, that is 2. 9. 96 to 40, 48, 4 and 12, right? So 4 and 3, so 8. 4 times 2, that is 64 times 3. 64 times 3, so it's 1, 2 factor, that's 1, 2 times 4 is 8, and 64 times 3, and that is 64. Square root of 64 is 8, then square root of 3. Right?